Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.